Take a good look in this trapezium figure. Say this is a right angle. If this side is 3 units long, and the green area is 6 more than the yellow area, what is the value of x, which is the slanted side of the trapezium? Let's begin by labeling the vertices of the trapezium as A, B, C, and D. Also, let the intersection of the diagonals be point O. Since the green area is 6 more than the yellow area, therefore the area of triangle DOC is equal to 6 plus the area of triangle AOB. Transpose the area of triangle AOB to the left side, so the equation becomes the area of triangle DOC minus the area of AOB is equal to 6. We are going to need this equation for later, but for now let's move forward. Recall that the formula for the area of a triangle is 1/2 times base times height. Let's use this to solve some of the triangle areas. The area of triangle BCD is 1/2 times 3 times CD. Simplify into 3/2 times CD. Meanwhile, the area of triangle ABC is 1/2 times 3 times AB. Simplify into 3/2 times AB. Subtract the area of ABC from the area of BCD. So let's subtract area of BCD minus area of ABC. We will then subtract the area expressions. 3/2 CD minus 3/2 AB. Take out the common factor 3/2 to get 3/2 times CD minus AB. We're going to need this exact equation for later, but for now, let's proceed to the next step. Next, we can see that the area of triangle BCD is equal to area of triangle DOC plus area of triangle BOC. Also, the area of triangle ABC is equal to the area of triangle AOB plus the area of triangle BOC. Now, if we subtract the two equations, the area of triangle BOC cancels out. Therefore, the area of triangle BCD minus the area of triangle ABC is equal to the area of triangle DOC minus the area of triangle AOB. From our calculations earlier, the area of BCD minus the area of ABC is equal to 3/2 times CD minus AB. Also, the area of DOC minus the area of AOB is equal to 6. Next, from vertex A, draw a line that is perpendicular to side CD at point E. Therefore, we can see that CD is equal to DE plus AB. Transposing AB to the left side gives us CD minus AB equals DE. Substitute DE into the equation, and the equation becomes 3/2 times DE equals 6. Multiply both sides of the equation by 2/3. Therefore, we get DE is equal to 4. For the final step, let's focus on the highlighted right triangle. Since this side is 3 units long, then this distance is also 3 units. From earlier calculation, we now know that DE is equal to 4. We need to solve for x, and we will use the Pythagorean Theorem equation to do so. We get x squared is equal to 4 squared plus 3 squared. 4 squared is 16, while 3 squared is 9, and 16 plus 9 is 25. Thus, we have x squared equals 25. Take the square root of both sides to get x equals 5. The length of side x is 5 units. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more engaging math puzzles.